Today we're going to use technology to find lines of best fit, and we've got some information on that. Graphing calculators use a method called linear regression to find a precise line of fit, which we call the line of best fit. This line best models a set of data. A calculator often gives a value, R, which is called the correlation coefficient. This value tells whether the correlation is positive or negative and how closely the equation models the data. Values of R range from -1 to +1. When R is close to 1 or -1, it's a strong correlation, and as R gets closer to 0, the correlation becomes weaker. So we're going to say that anything above 0.5, that's going to be considered a strong correlation, and anything above a 0.75 is going to be considered a very strong correlation. And we're going to say at 0.25 that is a weak correlation. So from 0.25 to 5 we would say is weak. From 0.5 to 0.75 we say is strong. And from 0.75 to 1 we say is very strong. Okay, the same happens on the other side. So if we have -0.25, that is where a weak negative correlation happens. -0.5 starts the strong negative correlation, and -0.75 starts the very strong weak negative correlation. So if it makes more sense, this section is no correlation between -0.25 and 0.25. This section is weak, strong, very strong, and the same happens in the positive. Weak, strong, very strong.